it can be convenient to call up our plant database application while you are working with gCADPlus, both to find examples of suitable species for a particular need, but also if you click down on Notes here, it's common to put into drawings statements of your general philosophy. And if I scroll backwards through here, garden bed preparation, general philosophy and plant maintenance. So if I come in here, notice that I've not put any spaces in here. So if I want to include a note on general philosophy as a sustainable development, I can just highlight it all, right click and copy. And now we go back into gCADPlus where I'm putting in some notes about sustainable development. Let's pick this MTEXT box. I can come in here and then paste the information which comes straight from the plant database application, and in it goes and gives me information on our general philosophy for this particular design. So I hope you can see that not only is the plant database useful for plant information, but you can also use it for hardscapes and notes such as we've done here. If I select that MTEXT window, notice the line spacing is set at 1. That's what gives us the gaps between the individual paragraphs in the note. So I think that is going to format quite easily without any additional work.